My name is Luca, and today I'm going to show you this, what comes with the Police 2014 set. It looks like this right now. Because it's right next to me, so. So this is what it looks like. So this helicopter. Oh, by the way, this is the thing I did earlier. So this helicopter is quite nice, actually. I feel like it's nice. I'll show you it crashing. I will do. When I get my laptop back, I will do it. Well, in a minute, I will do a Tower Cried video. So yeah, this is the helicopter. It is quite nice, actually. Even though I already said that, but let me just make Minecraft. This is the helicopter. So basically, has these in, and then you take out that. This one has some handcuffs in. I did find the loudspeaker. Put the loudspeaker into it.
Cat in a mug? Who's done that?
Oh yeah, Johnny put that on. Hang on.
Clicked on Amy and she came up as a cat in a mug. Okay. Oh, I clicked on that.
So guys, so you have the compartments where you put stuff in, and then on the other one, I put there's a camera, and the camera is meant to go there. Thank you for watching. My name is Luca. Signing out. Goodbye.
Oh, why is it annoying?
Oh God!